Building and maintaining a strong credit score is essential for accessing the best financial products, and Younited Credit offers tools and guidance to help users prepare effectively. The first step is understanding your current credit situation. Begin by obtaining your credit report from all major credit bureaus and reviewing it for accuracy. Identify any discrepancies, late payments, or outstanding debts that could negatively impact your score. Addressing these issues early can prevent unnecessary setbacks and streamline your credit improvement process. Next, focus on reducing outstanding balances on credit cards and loans. Lenders typically view lower credit utilization as a positive indicator, meaning that keeping balances below 30% of your total available credit is ideal. Regular, timely payments on all accounts are crucial, as payment history accounts for the largest portion of your credit score. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can ensure consistency and avoid missed deadlines. Younited Credit provides a structured approach to credit score preparation, offering personalized recommendations based on your financial profile. This includes prioritizing which debts to pay down first, suggesting credit-building products, and monitoring progress over time. Maintaining a mix of credit types, such as revolving credit and installment loans, also strengthens your profile, as long as payments remain timely and manageable. It is equally important to avoid opening multiple new accounts simultaneously, as frequent hard inquiries can temporarily lower your score. Over time, consistent financial behavior, including responsible borrowing, timely payments, and reducing debt, will gradually improve your credit rating. Younited Credit simplifies this process, allowing users to track improvements and implement actionable steps efficiently. By committing to these practices, you can prepare your credit score for larger financial opportunities, better loan terms, and overall financial stability. Strong credit management today sets the foundation for long-term financial success tomorrow.